Hi, I'm Paul Huber with Huber-Realty, and this is Raleigh Living. In this episode, we will discuss how to make a great offer to purchase on a property in North Carolina. Please hit that subscribe button now and be sure to leave a like and a comment below. So you have a great agent, you have your pre-approval, you've gone shopping, and now you've found a great house and it's time to make an offer. Ask your real estate agent to run a CMA or comparative market analysis to determine a fair price based on recent sales of similar homes in the area. The longer the house has been on the market and the less interest the seller has from other potential buyers, the more buying power you will have and the better negotiating opportunity you will have. Beyond the price you plan to offer, you should speak with your real estate agent about the best approach to writing the offer. If the property is in good shape, is new to the market, and has lots of interest, you will need to come up with a strategy on how to present the most appealing offer to the seller. Things to consider are: number 1, purchase price. Number 2, due diligence and earnest monies. Number 3, length of due diligence period. Number 4, closing time frame. Number 5, personal property to convey with the property. Number 6, home warranty. Number 7, closing cost. Number 8, seller possession after settlement or rent back periods. Number 9, escalation clauses. Number 10, any other contingencies. And finally, number 11, terms of financing. Are you considering any contingencies in your offer? A contingency is a stipulation included in an offer that states that if a particular condition is not met, the buyer is free to break the contract without any repercussions. Although sellers will sometimes balk at offers with contingencies, there are some contingencies that are worth making regardless of the seller's feelings around them. Keeping in mind that contingencies are not typical here in North Carolina, and instead we have the due diligence period. Check out our other video on this subject. Even though they are not typical, there is a time and a place for everything, and may be worth having the discussion with your broker about them. Should you have any questions about this or any other aspect around the real estate transaction process here in North Carolina, please call or text me today at 919-592-7444. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest anywhere here in and around the triangle, we would love the opportunity to help. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting our channel. I greatly appreciate it. Oh, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.